All right, guys, welcome to iONNA here in Houston. It's up here, 6215 Washington Ave. All right, got Big Ray 1. He's plugged into plug 2A, which is a NAX. I got up to 196. Oh, maybe there's some room to go up more. So Station 2 is split, NAX CCS1. Station 1 is both sides are CCS1. And it looks like Station 3 is split, CCS1 and NAX. This is pretty nice, huh? Oh, look, they have windshield washing fluid. And trash. Good, great. They got some benches here, picnic tables, some soda machines, and they got 2 bathrooms. Cool, awesome. All that part looks good. If you were to come right now, on both sides of this station, Washington Ave is kind of cut up. So yes, FSC pulled into Starbucks and it was going to go around the other side, which wouldn't help me. But anyway, price is 34 cents, which sounds about on par with what I'd pay at a Tesla supercharger. So that part's good. I mean, it looks nice. It has an awning covering the whole place, which is awesome. Yes, it indeed looks like it's been set up very well. The only question I had was, how's the charging rate? And I got up to 196, although maybe I'm higher now. No idle fee, no flat fee. What does it mean, no flat fee? Okay, whatever. So with that in mind, I mean, it's okay. It's more than okay. It's pretty good. My initial feeling was it was pretty far off the highway, but actually it's not terribly far. So that part's good. It's actually close to. I used to have a friend who used to live out here on the other side of I-10, but she was close to here. Anyway, whatever. And they have a Starbucks. I mentioned that. So why don't we go with, for now, let's call it 6 out of 10 and see how it goes as time progresses. And I'm pretty sure they can change out from CCS1 to NAX as that becomes more of an issue. So there you go. And I should mention, of course, this is their power connection. I don't know, to me that looks like some beefy transformers. And the wires coming in, going down. Substantial power. Okay, so this is final thoughts on the iONNA over there in Houston, the rechargery, or whatever it is. So they have an east side and a west side. And when I came by, I thought, okay, I'm pulling into Starbucks. Well, you can't go across from Starbucks. You have to pull into their rechargery. So I came in on the east side, which I didn't have a problem with it's kind of steep ramp, but I didn't have a problem with it. When I pulled out, I was going like, wow, so it looks like the angle's 45 degrees when you exit. So I don't know, maybe I miscalculated what I was doing or didn't fully calculate it, but I grounded the bottom of the car somewhere, right? So I just gave a little accelerator and yes, it went right through it. Now the other way to see it is I do have a scrape on the bottom under the bumper, and maybe that's what scraped, I don't know. But that's not, at least the way it is now, it's not well thought out. Okay, now maybe when Houston comes in and paves it, maybe there'll be more space or better alignment, and maybe it won't be a problem. I'm not sure exactly what happened. I'm gonna go back and look at it, but I don't know. I don't know, you might want to run a mile 3 through there and make sure it's working correctly. Just a thought. Anyway, um, I don't remember what I pulled at. It never seemed high to me. I mean, actually on this one, I was pretty much going like, this is my charge to make it back home, right? So just over 150 miles. And I never felt like it got a high rate. It went okay. And maybe there's some fine tuning stuff that has to happen. I don't know. But whatever. Then again, I'm driving a Tesla. I'm not part of the network, right? I'm just using it because it's handy and I want to try it out. I hope eventually that works out. Okay, onward, upward, charge.